So okay, I hope you find the issue or solution for that. So the thing is, whenever we are using a container, and if we are setting the where is it, yes, here, whenever we are setting the, okay, sorry for that, here is our container. Whenever we are using the container, and if we are going to set the decoration property, then we cannot set the color property. So these two, we cannot set these two properties at the same time. So if we simply want to set the color of the container, then we will use the color property. And if we are doing some additional design variations to the container, so for that we will use decoration and property and set the box decoration to send different kind of variations like border radius, border line width, and then whenever we are using box decoration, then we need to set the color in the box decoration object. So here I will cut this line from here and put it in the decoration object. So here we are set the color property in the box decoration. Now I will control S to save it. Okay, so as you can see here, now it's showing as it's expected. So I think we need to increase the radius, border radius further. So here I will double it and make it 8. Okay, so now it's I think I need to make it 12 would be good. Yes, and now it's according to the design. So the next part is we need to set the image here. So if we analyze the alignment and things of the image, so as you can see here that the bottom left of the image is also has overlapping the friends, invite your friends text. So whenever we are going to overlap the things in Flutter, then we will use the stack widget. So here we will add use stack widget here. So first of all, I will export this image from here. Let's preview it. Okay, next I will name it as and copy this in our assets folder and images. Okay, and now we will invite your front container. We will wrap this column with this tag. And now I will say wow to sync the changes. Okay, so now our image is showing here, and it's overlapping. So we need to make align this image actually image to the right, which will be start from the top right corner of the this container. So for that, I will wrap this into another widget. Actually, for that we have alignment. We will use align widget and copy our image. And here we will set the alignment property to top right corner. Okay, we have set the top right, but the thing is we have put the padding to the container, so that's why it's not showing as expected. So here what we will do is we need to remove the padding from this. Okay, so now it's showing as expected, but yes, now it's showing as expected, but we need here our this text part is going, it's not what how we are seeing it in the design. So for that we need to put this padding to this column. So for that I will copy this padding value and wrap this column into the padding and set the padding value here. Okay, so now it's showing as expected. So here we need to put some padding below and top too. So for that I will increase the vertical padding. No, I think it's good. 16 is good. And here the next part would be that we need to align this image as we are seeing in the design. So for that we need to decrease the height of it. So in the image view, where is it? Yes, here it is. We will set the height property and make it 100. Okay, make it 150. So I think 140 would be good. 130. Mm, 140 is enough. Okay, so as you can see here, our design is showing as expected. You may see some of the variations here that we have in the design. We have some extra space here, and here is less space. So this is because of the device width. So if you are seeing or it on the larger mobile device, so it will be shows as expected on the design. So these thing so these minor spacing is vary from the device to device. So this is it. So our invite or friend container is have been complete now, and the next would be we need to show the nearby you and the see all in a row like here. So for that we have already make the upcoming event and see all row here. So we will copy that code and show it here. Here we have the row upcoming container. And here we will put it after the this container and change the property to nearby you and see all. You and see all. Okay, okay, so now our design of invite your friend and nearby you all things have been according to our design. So the one minor thing is here in our app design we have some extra spacing here, so we will need to decrease that vertical space. So this is here, I will make it 10. Okay, maybe 5 would be good enough. We need to make it 0. Okay, so now it's according to the design that which we have in our Figma file. So this is it. Here we have completed the all portion of the home screen. So in the next video we have currently complete the content part in which we have upcoming event and invite your friend and nearby you. So in the next video we will complete this bottom navigation part. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.